have discussed about string declarations and also how to and also how and also how to use arithmetic operations operators, multiplication, division, and also multiplication, division, subtraction. Those things we have saw. And also we saw about pre-increment and decrement operators. And also we saw about how can we declare a variable and comparison operators we saw. And also we saw less than, greater than operators, and also we saw like logical operators and or and not logical operators we saw in the last class. Okay, so we will see more elaborately in today's class. Okay. So do you people have you have any doubts regarding the previous class or assignment you took earlier? Something?
No, sir. It's clear.
Okay. Have you tried the assignment?
Yes, sir. It's completed. Assignment.
It's committed. It's
Uh,
completed. Okay. Fine. Okay. Okay. One second. One second. Actually. So as we saw, like variable declarations, we saw about string and number, right? So one more thing is here, that is the one more variable declaration is there, that is actually object. Okay, so let me take that in some other page here. Okay, js underscore 2. So here, let me take all of them here. Let me remove all of them here. Okay, so here in this one I am going to take one object. How to declare an object in JavaScript? For example, I have here obj, that's my object name, and I am going to give here one array. Okay, array. So within this array, I want to open an entry. Okay, the object it is like this. It is a combination of arrays. Okay, or for example, this is, it can be like this directly, like object, like it will start with an two flower braces. Okay, flower braces start and flower braces end, and here we can give like some employee number, key, and employee value, so 215. Okay, this is a simple way of declaring an object. Okay, so can I declare one more key? Yeah, I can able to declare one more key also. So that is some, let's Chaitanya, I have declared. Okay, so e number and e name are two entries of this object. So this is just like an normal entry. I mean, this is just like a normal entry of an object. It's a single entry alone. Okay, can I able to increase this one? Yeah, I can able to increase this entries. For example, ESAL I give, and I am giving here some 25,000. Okay, 25,000. So now if you are finding, so I have 3 entries here, but how can I access these entries? Means I can access the object first. Let me access the object first. So I just went for console.log and I have given obj. So let me reveal this in Finder, and I am opening in Google Chrome. So So here I can able to find ename, enumber and esal. These are the entries I have given. These are the entries I have given. Okay. So now if I want to access only the particular entry, suppose I want to access ename, so that I can give obj.ename, obj.ename, and I can refresh this one here. Okay, so I can only get object name alone. I can only get object name alone. So suppose if I want to display this one, let me display this RAM info. Here I have this. Let me display str, and I am going to give like obj.ename. Okay, so let me see this in DOM. It's undefined. Ename of undefined. 1 second, wait. Okay, so now you can able to render some object value to your DOM. You can able to render some object value to your DOM. So suppose I want to display this one in an input. How can you do? Means you can able to mention here some input. Okay. Yeah, okay, that you can take again. For now I don't want to confuse. Okay. I think you understood, right, how to declare this object and all.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, this is about only one entry. Suppose if you want to give an object array, let me take a object array. Means I don't want only one entry, I want more than two entries. I mean I want more than one entry. At that point of time I can able to replicate. Now I will replicate this one, and I am going to take one more here, and I am giving some 5,000, and I am giving some value here, capital C, and I am giving here some 234. I have given like this. Okay, so now I want to know I can able to have more than two entries in an array. Okay, so to access the each entry, what I can able to do? So I can able to access like this, right? Obj array of 0 means array will start with 0 index. Okay, so if this is 0, if this is 0th index, then this will be 1. Likewise it will keep on increasing. Object array underscore array of 0 means what? It will display enumber, ename and Chaitanya and eSalary. This one it will display. So let us check this out now. So now it is displaying enumber and eSalary, everything it is displaying. So now if I want to display, so if I want to display second one, what I have to give here?
1.
1. Okay, so we can able to give for the second entry 1. And suppose you want to get only ename of second entry, ename value of second entry. What we have to do here? Dot ename. Okay, dot that entry dot ename. Now you can get that value here. You got it, right?
Yeah, yes, sir, it's got it.
Okay, so yeah, likewise you can able to access an object and access an object array. Like this you can able to access an array, I mean object array as well as normal object. So if you want to declare a particular array, how can you declare? Where some array example I gave here, and here I am giving some entries. Array always starts with square bracket, right? 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. I have given like this. This is a numeric array. Okay, to access this array I have to go for some array exam. So I can able to see now the entries of the array. So let me take the each entry of this array. One second. Okay. So let me take then one more example here. Exam, and I want to take the the this element means 1 2 3. This is 0th index, this is first index, this is second index. I want to fetch the second index value, which is 3. So I have to give 2 here. Now I should able to find the second index value 3. Okay, so yeah, likewise you can able to access an array. So if you want to take one more array here like this, for example, I want to give here some string in between. Okay, I am giving some string in between, some ram. Okay, so we can also able to give numerics, as well as we can able to mention the strings also in an array. We can also able to give strings and numerics in an array, and also we can able to access that array value also. So here I am giving different name. You don't want to overwrite whatever they in existing. Okay, I think you understood the concept.
Yeah, it's
Okay, so after that there is one small logic is there, like suppose if you want to add before then array. Let us think you want to add some a ram, and before the ram if you want to give some arithmetic operation, for example 3 plus 4 plus 5. This is my arithmetic operation. Okay, and I want to display this one. So it will accumulate all the whatever the preceding values, and it will give 12 ram. Okay, so if you want to do arithmetic operation after the ram, suppose 3 into 4, and I am taking it, so it will do the same. Okay, but if you are giving 5 plus ram, it will display only 5 ram, likewise string and arithmetic operation relations. Okay, so apart of this we are having, okay, I think we saw numbers also. We saw arrays, and saw objects, and yeah, there is one small thing is there, that is type of. Okay, see, let us think here a type of operator. Okay, so here I am having console.log. type of, okay, and I am giving here console.log array type of, and I am giving array exam. So let me check this one. So it will display as object. Even if you are taking an object also, it will display as object type of, and I am giving some obj array. If you are taking this one also, it is like an object. Array and also array and object are considered as an objects in a internally in JavaScript, but their features are different. Whatever your way of taking is different. I mean, whatever you are operating on them are different, but internally they are taken as an object. Array and object are type of objects only. They both are same type. They both are objects. Okay, and if you want to check the previous ones, for example, like I have here ram obj or some ram info str type of ram info str, and I am going to check it. What it is a string. We are passing a string over there, right? We are passing a string e name, right? So for example, if I am taking one more, right, for an example I have given here, where some num is equal to, I am giving some 45. So console.log, I am giving some type of num. Okay, so it will go for a number. Okay, so if you want to display any any type of the values, so you can able to go for type of, and you can give the particular variable name. So it will display the whether it is an what kind of object it is, what kind of data type it is, number or numeric or object. Likewise it will display uh, number or string or object. In that case it will display. And one small logic is there, that is undefined. For example, I am giving here some control z. Okay, did I declare it anywhere here z? No, I didn't declare anywhere z here, but I am going to console log it. Okay, you will get like reference error, z is not defined. Z is not defined means that value, whatever the value is there, that is undefined. Okay, that is undefined. For example, if you want to, okay, I will show you here, 1 second. Okay. Okay, I'm giving here some where z, and I am checking here for z. So it will tell like it is defined, but it is not having any assignment. It is defined, but it is not having any numeric value or any string value. Nothing is there. So in that case, it will be considered as an undefined. It is means the variable is there, but it is not specified to any object, or it is not specified to any numeric value or an object. It is simply there, but so it is not having any data type. So in that case it will go for undefined. It will show us undefined value. Okay, this is one of the data type in the um, JavaScript. This is one of the data type in the JavaScript. So one more thing is there, that is like a null. So this is also one of the important topic. Null is a value which is not which is there, but it is not a value. It is not a value. Okay. So for example, I have given where some y, where null val. Okay, I am giving here null. Okay, so I cannot able to display anything, means null value I can display, but the this null value will be like an value which is there, but it is not available. But a person cannot able to find out, or uh, they can't able to do anything with it. It's a null value. So to overcome this null value, you have to assign that value to a particular variable. I mean a value to that variable. Null value means there is some value, but it is not useful. Suppose if you are giving where space val, and I am giving here spaces. Here in this case, this space is having empty strings, means there is no value at all. But in the so in this case you will get undefined. In this case it is like value is there, but it is not useful. In this case, value is not at all there. Its value is not at all available. Okay, that's the differences between them. Okay, and yeah, I think I will find it null here. Okay, and yeah. So if you are taking the object of console.log of this type of uh, z is undefined, right? And after that, if you are taking some type of, and you are giving some null val, and you are giving some console.log, and again I am giving here type of space val. Okay, so in these cases, so type of the undefined, okay, the type of undefined is always undefined. Okay, so type of null will be object, is a object, is considered as an object by compiler of JavaScript. This will be string actually. So let us see the things: undefined, object, and string. Okay, and undefined, object, and string. This is very important question in interviews. What is the type of a null? What is the type of a null? And what is the type of undefined? It's a general interview question people will ask. Okay, and after that, if you want to equal this null values, right? Null value and undefined, let me equal the equal the both. The behavioral wise, the both are equal, means the value wise they both are equal. Undefined and null are equal. If we are comparing with data types, in that case they are not equal. If you are comparing with the data types, means how like I want to do, if I want to compare type as well as value, in that case I have to go for triple equal to. Okay, so if it is like triple equal to, it will become false. Okay, if it is triple equal to, it will become false. And yeah, and also we are having one more, that is like boolean data type. So that is like suppose I am having here some switch case, and I am giving here some true. Okay, so if I want to check the type of this switch case, so it will, what it is a boolean. It is a boolean. Okay, this is one more data type we have. And yeah, so we'll stop up to here. Do you have any questions? Because this guy is also not there. I want to start a functions actually.
Okay.
Functions, once he comes